She's like, almond butter is literally a food group for me. And I was like, girl, same. Today I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day to clear my acne. And you guys, it's been working. I went to Costa Rica about a month or two ago. I came back, crazy hormonal shifts happened, and I started breaking out like crazy. But the good news is I've been experimenting with different healthy diets, different supplements. I'm gonna share all of it with you once I'm fully clear, but today I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day because diet plays a major role in everything, especially clearing acne and having glowing, beautiful skin. So, let's go have some breakfast. For breakfast, you always want to start off with healthy fats and protein. But basically, you don't want your insulin to spike because acne is a form of inflammation. You want to keep that low. So healthy fats does that. Also, for hormone balancing, healthy fats are super importante, very important. So I just have a scramble in coconut oil with bell peppers and onion and spinach, and then on the side I threw in some frozen green beans. Well, I cooked them first and then put them on the side, avocado for my healthy fats, and sprinkled with some sesame seeds, some salt, and then some other seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. It's really good. I do have a very long, productive day. I think I'm working like 12 hours or something. I have a tendency to get hungry like 30 minutes right after I eat breakfast. So I'm bringing some bell peppers, just the leftover bell pepper that I had from my breakfast. And then I'm bringing almond butter and a spoon. Yesterday I was talking to one of my friends and telling her how much I've been like craving coconut butter. What? No. How much I've been eating almond butter. And she's like, almond butter is literally a food group for me. And I was like, girl, same. I was gonna eat outside on the little patio. It was so pretty, but when I actually went outside, it was freezing cold and windy, so I was like, when I just see like all this like food, I just want like a huge variety of stuff, and so your salad ends up being like $50, especially if it's from Whole Foods. Let me know if you can relate. Anyways, I'll let you guys know what I got in my salad. For greens, I did this on a bed of kale, arugula, and spring mix. And then for the toppings, I did cherry tomatoes, paleo mix of like onion, zucchini, and garlic and broccoli. I did baby carrots, cabbage, green onion, this like sauteed garlic, which is like, I love garlic. For my healthy fats, I did walnuts because they have a lot of omegas, and some salmon for my protein, and then I just drizzled it with like a bunch of olive oil because fats is what keeps me full. Feeling full. Oh, and some radishes, and then a little bit of coconut aminos. And then for my snack later on, because I know I'm gonna get hungry later tonight, I got this coconut yogurt. The only ingredients are raw coconut yogurt. That's it. Raw young coconut, coconut water, probiotic cultures, stevia, vanilla extract, and 100% pure love. So I just got the vanilla flavor. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this salad, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm having a lot of fun making YouTube videos. If you guys have any video ideas, send them to me. I want to hear them. And follow me on Instagram over at Rebecca Eloisa. Bye!